Every dream home starts as an idea. But ideas don't stay ideas. They become foundations. They become blocks. They become structure. This was once just cement and sand blocks. Raw walls. Open windows. Exposed ring beams. No paint. No glass. No beauty yet. But every strong home begins here. Every dream home starts with a strong foundation. Then comes precision. Fresh plaster shaping the structure. Straight corners. Clean lines. Solid reinforcement. This is where strength meets craftsmanship. Step by step. Preparation begins. Smooth skimming. Sharp edges. Perfect surfaces. Now the vision becomes clearer. Built not just for beauty, but built to withstand all conditions. Rain. Fog. Snow. Night. Through every weather, the structure stands firm. And then, transformation happens. Color. Glass. Light. Landscaping. Modern design. Clean finishes. This is no longer a construction site. This is a statement. This is a home. A space designed for comfort. Built with precision. Finished with excellence. This is not just construction. It's transformation. Would you build this?